Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
What up, you guys? I'm back with another tutorial. As y'all all may know, we always start with a transition color, and I use that Pure Cosmetics palette that I got in a BoxyCharm. And right now, I am using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. And I forgot the name of that shade, but I will put it down below in the description box. And I'm just using it as a transition color. It's an orangey reddish transition color. I decided to show you guys little by little on how I do it. That's why I only did one eye. But going back into the Huda Beauty, I'm pulling out that red. I will have all the colors listed down below. So I'm taking these two browns from the Pure Cosmetics and the Huda Beauty to deepen up my crease. And y'all have to keep blending. Make sure you use two different brushes when you go to blend. So right here I am taking my, what is that? My Maybelline. It's an old concealer. It's that Age Rewind in the color medium to cut my crease, which y'all, creases are struggles. You know the creases are struggles for me. I try, but hey, it is what it is. I took that translucent powder by Naked Cosmetics just to set that because I didn't want to wait for it to dry. And I'm going to deepen up that outer V with the same two colors. Oh, y'all, my Blizzard by Crown. Is it Crown? Yeah, by Crown Royal. And I went in with that silver color. I love this palette. It reminds me of the BH Cosmetics palette. So if you don't have the Crown Brushes palette, get your BH Cosmetics palette to stand in place for the crown. So y'all just see me fixing up my eye. Now I'm going to take that NYX glitter glue and this crystal glitter from Shop Miss A and put that in the crease to give me a glitter cut crease. I don't know, y'all. I've been trying to play more with glitter and cut creases, so y'all let me know how I did on this one because I don't know. I know I haven't mastered it yet, but I'm gonna get it. My Lala Fox, y'all. I did a whole haul on that. If y'all are looking for it, check down below. But this liquid liner by Lala Fox is my favorite, and I wish I would have gotten another one because I love that dang on liquid liner. I love it. So I'm just taking my mascara and putting it on my eyes, and I'm gonna take that Catrice nude eye pencil into the waterline, and here I go with the lashes, you guys. Here I go with the lashes. Y'all know lashes and liners are struggles for me. For some reason, it's always one lash that don't want to work. No need to explain the Fenty Beauty primer. Everybody loves it. Everybody knows it is a holy grail for your girl. Oh, my L'Oreal True Match and my Kat Von D number 74. I mixed those two together. I love the L'Oreal for the shade, and I love the Kat Von D for the coverage. I love Kat Von D and the L'Oreal. If y'all haven't mixed those two foundations together, y'all should try it because I absolutely love it. Now we're gonna spray our face. Y'all know I go overboard with the spray. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn just to highlight my face and give it some cute little lightings. And y'all, if y'all would like an update on how I do my highlighting and contour, let me know, because I do it a tad bit different than what y'all seeing right now. I've been experimenting, and I just decided to start doing it a certain way that I experimented with. So y'all let me know if y'all want that, because I like it better than this right here. Even though my makeup still came out cute, I still like it the new way I do it. So y'all comment down below and let me know. So these powders, y'all, I mix Midnight Banana powder, I use Revolution's Topaz, and I use a little bit of the Coty Airspun, mix them all together and set my face. I have been liking mixing the setting powders lately because of the orangey and yellow tones, and then and then the no color way, I guess that's how you say it. I've been loving to mix those together, and it's just not those three. I mix them all together now lately. I absolutely been loving it mixed and not just setting on one setting powder. I hope y'all understood that. I hope y'all understood that, honestly. But if y'all want that updated contour and highlight video, let me know, and I will show y'all the mixes and everything. So that's my new Black Radiance photo focus, soft focus powder, and that one is in creamy golden or something like that. I will have it listed down below. I'm sorry, but I have been testing out that one lately, and it's just a tad bit too dark, but then again, I kind of like it. So I'm gonna go back in with that orangey color from the Huda Beauty and pop it on the bottom eye, my lower lash line, bottom eye. Go ahead and rub that on in. Take my Tarteist mascara and use it for my bottom lashes, which y'all know my bottom lashes ain't shit. And then I gotta go back in and snatch the nose. And I am going to use my Ulta Beauty Sculpting palette in medium deep, or is it just deep, and contour up my face, bring some definition back into my face, and take that darker color to contour. Now the lightest shade that I used was to bronze and the darker color was to contour. Let's spray some more. Let's spray some more. Y'all, I killed the sprays, and that's the Mario Badescu in the purple one. I've been trying out the purple one and the green one, and I don't know, I think I like the rose water one better. I just don't know. Now that lip liner is, I don't know, honestly. Oh, I think it was a Wet n Wild lip liner. And then I'm taking this, I think that was Tarte lip paint to do my lips. It was a liquid lipstick, and now I'm taking a Becca Prosecco Pop. I think I'm saying it right. Just to highlight my face and spray some more, and I think I am done. Thanks for watching, you guys. I love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And right now, I want y'all to check out my last video.